Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm going to show you how to maintain and clean up the Peter Rassenti Small Nirvana 3.0. Basically, you're going to need one tool, which is a T15 Torx bit, and you're done, because this is an integral knife, and there's only one screw. Pivot, it's pretty simple. Like this, just be gentle and pull the guy out. Look at this, you are done. So very straightforward operation, just using some alcohol swab just to clean up some eventual gunk, like so. Just clean up a little bit the bearings, like that. Let's just clean up a little bit this area over here, tang of the blade, and a little bit on the inside like this. Basically, yeah, just the area around the pivot. Check out this beautiful Mokutai pivot collar. Clean on this side, and basically you are done. I'm just going to use a little bit of nano oil in this case. Let's take the 10 weight, and so the handle is going to be like this. So for this, for the reassembly, I just do a little bit of nano oil in the bearing track here and here. You just pinch it with your hands, release the lock bar, and just slide this guy in like that. All right, so after this, basically we go backwards like so. Pivot is in like that, pivot screw is in, T15 like this. So I'm just gonna keep it halfway open. All right, so let's check the blade play. Beautiful, beautiful. And also, you know what, let's do a little bit of heavier weight nano oil just for the detent ball, like so, just a little touch. So we are like this. Let's check it out. So very simple operation. There you go. Blade perfectly centered, zero blade play, pretty rock solid. Action, classic Nirvana action. Oops, right over here. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.